Guys, let's see how you can access to the website. Okay, WordPress website. So just go to access detail. Let me just show you from start. So you just need to come to servers, just go here to WordPress, and then here you will see the application URL. Just tap here, and now what you need to do is that you need to add slash wp-admin. Okay, then click on enter. So this will going to redirect you here. So make sure that now on, whenever you want to visit to the dashboard of your WordPress, so you just need to put your URL or domain URL, and in front of that just put slash, then put wp, everything in small, make sure, then dash, then put admin. That's it, and click on enter. It will take you to the dashboard login area. Okay, and here you will sorry, and here you will see the username and password. So here CloudWays has provided you the username, so you can just click on the username, right click and click on paste to paste the username. Go to password, so just tap on this password, so just click on these dots. The password is copied. Now go to your WordPress dashboard, right click and click on paste. Okay, so you have pasted the username and password. Now click on this login button. Okay, so it may uh, say something like this, but do not worry, after few uh, that means after few hours it will automatically going to get improve. Okay, so again just make sure you after few hours try to put password again, and you can just log in to the WordPress dashboard. Let me just, after 1 hour, let me just put it again. Okay, just go ahead and just click on WordPress, and now let's try to log in again. Okay, so now you can see that I can log in to my website. Okay, so it has wp admin, and then it will just take you to the WordPress website. So simple. Now guys, basically what I did, I just asked help. So you can see need a hand, so you can just come here and you can just contact to their support team. Okay, so you can just click on send a message. You can just uh, click on technical or billing issue, so you can just go ahead and you can just contact to the support chat. They will of course going to help you to solve any kind of technical error you face. Okay, so they will going to do for you. You do not need to pay anything, and they will totally going to do that for you for free. Okay, so this is what the thing, and now you can see that I have logged into my WordPress website. Okay,